Hey, what's going on, guys? So look at this. This person here, she made $800 from just one single sale, and this person right here, she also made $800. As you can see, $800 for Digital Wealth Pro. So I'm gonna show you what is Digital Wealth Pro and how you can start on this system. So basically, this is a high ticket affiliate marketing, and as you can see, all these people are making $800, and these all sales are from just one single sale. Okay, and this one $800, this was me, so I had got a sale, so that's why you can see my payment. Okay, and then there is another payment that I got on my Stripe, so as you can see $800, and there is another payment I got on my gel, so that is $800 as well. So basically, guys, this program, this system is called Digital Wealth Pro, as you can see here. So it's an high ticket affiliate marketing program, and here is the here is the dashboard, and like here you can see manage payments, right? So here you can add your Cash App, your gel, your Stripe, your Venmo, so you can add different payment method here, and that's where you're gonna get paid. Okay, and if you go to this part here, if you click here your products, you will see what are the products here. Okay, so there are three levels, as you can see: the bronze level, okay, and the second is gold level, and the third is platinum level, this one here. Okay, so there is three levels on this system, and these are all the products that you are seeing here under the platinum level, under the gold level. And here you can see your CRM manager, which means that here you can connect your Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, whatever you use, you can connect with the system here. Okay, and here is the system message. So the cool thing is here you can, like, if there is any update or any new information, they put the information here, so you can read all the notification here under the system messages. Okay, and then here you see the member resource. So here you can see the member resource, okay, like high converting postcard mails. Okay, so here you can use this mail to promote your business. Okay, and here if you see pre-made autoresponder letters. Okay, so these are pre-made letters that you can use for your autoresponder. Okay, so basically, guys, this system, if I click on dashboard here, okay, like they have pre-made landing pages. Okay, so you don't have to make landing pages. Like if I show you here, let's open it. So they have pre-made template. Okay, you can just start promoting, and you can just use these pre-made landing pages. Okay, and so basically this system, if you have been watching my video, you know that this system has a call center. So like what you're gonna do is you're gonna simply watch this quick 7-minute video, and then you're gonna click on show me more. Okay, so if I scroll down here, you can see call our support team, right? So basically they have call center which close the sales for you. Okay, they answer all the questions of your lead, and that's how they close the sales for you on phone. Okay, so if you scroll down, you will see me as your sponsor. This is my sponsor ID. So whenever you wanna call, you gonna say my sponsor ID. That's how they're gonna know you are coming under me. Okay, and then you're gonna call the call center, and that's how you will be set up on this system. Okay, so basically, guys, what I'm doing is I'm giving you a special bonus to get started on this system and to make all those big commissions. Okay, what I'm gonna do for you, I'm gonna give you these two bonus at platinum level. So if you coming at the platinum level, I'm gonna give you 100 buyer clicks to your affiliate link, which means that these are your affiliate link, right? The capture page 1, capture page 2, 3, 4, 5. I normally use capture page 3 or this one, sales site. So I usually use one of these two affiliate link for my promotion. Okay, so let's see the capture page 3 here. Okay, so this is the capture page 3. Okay, you can use this. Okay, and what I'll be doing is I'll send you 100 clicks to your affiliate link as a bonus, since you are coming at the platinum level. Okay, and the second bonus that I'm going to give you is I'm going to give you my DWP, which means Digital Wealth Pro, my review video that you can use on your channel, and you can put that on your channel. Okay, so like if I go to my channel here, so what I will do is I will give you this video. Okay, and this video will be without my face, so you can use it for yourself. Okay, so you can use this video and you can upload this video on your channel. Like, it's very easy to have a YouTube channel. Okay, if you have a Gmail account, it means you have a YouTube channel. So simply you click on create here. Okay, and what you will do is you will simply upload your video here. Okay, and then this video will be on your channel. Okay, and this video I'll give you without my face, so you can use it for your channel. Okay, and it's very easy to rank these videos. Okay, I'll also show you how to rank the videos. As you can see here, I'm using these keywords, right? Digital Wealth Pro reviews, Digital Wealth Pro results. So it's easy to rank your YouTube videos. So you can use this video on your channel and it will rank, and you will get traffic to your affiliate link as well. Okay, so yeah guys, these are the two bonus that I'm gonna give you. Okay, simply go ahead and create your account at the platinum level. Okay, and then message me on Facebook, and I'll give you this bonus, and I'll send you my raw YouTube video link as well. Okay, where you can upload and use my video. So guys, this is the system. Okay, this is how I'm making $800 for every single sale. Okay, and all these people are making $800 for this system. Okay, you can get paid via Cash App, Venmo, Zelle. You can get paid via any payment method that you will be adding inside the system. So yeah, simply go ahead, create your account at platinum level, and then message me on Facebook. Okay, and I will give you these two bonus. So go ahead, create your account. See you inside.